time because now it's holiday, and the problem is the kids are sleeping. That's why I can talk to you. Once they are awake, I am off again.
Okay.
But I will try to work on that. If you send me I will try to place the pictures, and then we see how it looks like. So
Okay.
maybe one question: do I change the language now? Because right now we're talking to a francophone people. Do I change the language now? Like the main language will be French, or can the website do it automatically?
Yes, the website can automatically display it like a language. Just need some basic settings so it will display the normal language which you want.
Yeah. So the main language will be French, and then if you're an English-speaking person, you can switch to the language yourself. But the way it is now, it would do it if it's French. You can speak French, right?
Yeah. No, I don't speak French, but I could translate a little bit.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. So if I have as I have 1 hour time, if you give me the password and the credentials, I will quickly upload the images so that you can see what I mean.
Okay. Okay. No problem. I'll send it right away.
Okay.
So, are you able to talk to the team about the remaining payments?
No, because they didn't see it. Yesterday was the meeting, and I couldn't show because it was off. But normally it goes quick. If I work on that today, I can still show them, and then I'm the one doing the payment anyway. So once I have to go ahead, I'll do it. Even with my mobile phone, I can do it quickly for you.
Okay, no problem. Alright.
So just give me the things, and then we try to change. What I need quickly is the other landing page here, webtoon, and then what I should have here is are not the episodes, but the difference. Like the series should happen here. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah, the
I've got that
series, and then when you
one.
click on it, it should take you to a
Should
page where you have a Jibo page with all the episodes of Jibo.
episode. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I've
So that takes
understand that
you.
one.
Okay. How long would that take to implement it?
Maybe just by tomorrow I'll be done with it.
Oh,
By tomorrow.
okay. That's fine. Then what I will do, I will change the pictures of the episodes here.
Yes. No
Great,
problem.
Samuel. Wish you a wonderful day.
Yeah. Thank you. Right.
Okay.